2012 LR2. It's acceptably comfortable, and the LR2 is very impressive off-road and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power driver's seat, driver airbag, alloy wheels, HomeLink garage door opener, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, side airbag, Bluetooth, climate control, center armrest, passenger airbag, MP3 playback stereo, power windows, security system, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.